The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sumner County Sheriff's Department Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security. Civil danger warning. All civilians should remain calm. You are to close and secure all entrances to your home. Close all blinds and curtains. Do not go outside for any reason. All telephone and internet services will be disconnected until tomorrow morning. Emergency services will be unavailable during this event. Do not photograph or record anything outside. Any photos and videos must be turned over to local authorities. All pets must be kept indoors during this event. Travel is strictly prohibited at this time. Remain calm and relax your mind. Take 2 doses of sleep-inducing medication. Go to bed and do not wake up until sunrise. You will forget what happened. Everything is fine. This television station will cease operation until tomorrow morning. Good luck.